How to put down a countdown timer on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily put down a countdown timer on your Instagram story. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Instagram. Make sure that you are logged in. So once you are on your home page, you want to swipe right to get to your story section. And from here you want to tap on create. So this is the base layout for our countdown timer. You can even change your background color by tapping on the top right here. So you can have plain backgrounds. I'm going to go with this one. And in order to access your countdown timer, you are going to tap on this little sticker icon or swipe up on your screen. So your menu will pop up. And at the very last of your menu, you will see the last option is countdown. So just tap on it. And if you have a previous version of Instagram, you will get a preset timers like the weekend or the school is over or something like that. But if you want to make your own, you can type in your countdown name. So let's say if I want to set a countdown for Christmas, so I'm just going to type in Christmas. And once you do that, you can even add emojis to make it better. And to set your date, you can go ahead and set it. So I'm just going to set the date for Christmas and click on done. So once you do that, you should be good to go. So you can just tap on done and then post your story. So from here, you can just tap on your stories and then it will be posted to your Instagram story. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.